In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Ninja forms in WordPress. Full walkthrough. To begin, open the form you want to change and select Edit. That takes you into the Ninja Forms Builder, where you'll see your form layout in the main area and tools on the side. This is where you can add, remove, and adjust fields so the form collects exactly what you need. To add new fields, click the plus, Add Field button on the right. You can drag and drop common fields like text box, email, or drop down straight into your form. Place them where they make the most sense for your visitors, grouping related inputs together so the form feels natural to complete. To fine-tune any field, click it to open its settings. Here you can change the label, such as renaming it to your name, add placeholder text to guide users, toggle whether the field is required, and set default values when appropriate. If you're customizing design later, you can also assign custom CSS classes to specific fields so they're easy to target with styles. Next, configure your form settings so it behaves the way you want after submission. In the notifications area, set up the email confirmation that goes to the user and the admin email that goes to you or your team. Customize the success message so people know their submission went through, or adjust it to match your brand voice. You can also add extra actions, such as sending form data to a CRM, adding new contacts to a mailing list, or redirecting users to a dedicated thank you page. When it comes to appearance, you have two options. With built-in styling, head to Ninja Forms, then Settings, then Styles, and turn the default styles on or off. From there, you can control essentials like button color, font size, and field spacing to match your site. If you prefer full control, add custom CSS by going to Appearance, Customize, and Additional CSS. Target a specific form by its ID or any custom classes you added earlier. Once your form looks and works the way you want, it's time to embed it. In the block editor, open your page or post, add a Ninja Forms block, and select your form from the dropdown. If you prefer a shortcode, go to the Ninja Forms dashboard, copy the shortcode shown next to your form, such as Ninja Form ID 1, and paste it into any page, post, or widget. Page builders like Elementor or Divi also work. Add a shortcode widget or a Ninja Forms module, and pick your form. If you need more advanced behavior, enable features like conditional logic to show or hide fields, allow file uploads, split longer forms into multiple parts, or connect integrations like mailing lists and payments. Finally, click Done, then Publish in the top right of the builder. Your customized form is now live.